For the 2022 season, Pilote has introduced a new brand. It's called Joa, and this one here will cost just under 50,000 euros. It is your typical camper van. It looks like a Fiat Ducato. All this one is on the Citroen jumper. Looks like many other vans of this nature, and with 2 burners, a sink, storage under there. We've got a fridge here, wardrobe there, very nice shower unit in my opinion, the toilet, and at the back we've got this bed. So one of these ones you can either sleep lengthwise or widthwise depending on how you're feeling. Of course, this camper van does look quite similar to many others which are on the market. This brand has been introduced, judging by the color scheme, the blue, the yellow, the logo, that and the same, like oh la la, that it's been designed for people who are sort of younger families and be happy, enjoy life. Of course, this is the branding that it has given itself. Storage here at the back, and of course, as with all of them, you can move the beds up. You can see this will go that way. This board can be got rid of and stored somewhere else, and this will go the other that way as well, and that will give you a great deal more storage possibilities. This is the gas cupboard, so you can keep 2 gas cylinders in there, and it's a 6-meter van, and that was the Pilote Joa in well under 3 minutes. I'll just point out up there as well the skylight, the top, the window. And if you found these 3-minute videos of any use, then do write down below. I'm trying to do this because of the COVID restrictions. I can't spend longer times in videos because of people having to queue up outside to get in to see them. Nonetheless, I do think a 3-minute video is of some interest. Thanks very much for watching.
Die ist noch 40.